Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two advanced crypto trading bots, Photon and Dexbot. We'll explore their features, supported platforms, and unique offerings to help you decide which tool aligns best with your trading strategies. Photon Trading Bot is designed for traders seeking real-time analysis and swift execution. It allows users to automate strategies on major exchanges, ensuring optimized performance. With customizable strategies, robust risk management tools, and a focus on security, Photon aims to enhance your trading efficiency. Additionally, it offers a tiered referral system, rewarding users for sharing the platform with others. Now, if we're talking about Dexbot and Dexscreener, Dexbot positions itself as a next-generation trading bot, tailored for decentralized exchange traders. It supports multiple networks, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum, and Base. Dexbot offers a variety of trading strategies and is equipped with features like anti-honeypot mechanism, tax detection, and high-speed RPC nodes. These tools are designed to help traders identify profitable opportunities and execute trades efficiently. Now, if we directly compare the two, Photon focuses on major centralized exchanges, providing a seamless experience for users operating in traditional crypto markets. Dexbot, however, is tailored for decentralized exchanges across multiple networks, catering to traders looking to engage with a variety of blockchain ecosystems. In terms of unique features, Photon emphasizes customizable strategies and a tiered referral system, enhancing user engagement and flexibility. Dexbot offers specialized tools like anti-honeypot, as I mentioned earlier, and tax detection mechanisms, which are particularly beneficial for navigating the complexities of decentralized finance trading. In terms of the all-important user experience, both platforms prioritize real-time analysis and swift execution. Your choice may depend on whether you prefer trading on a centralized exchange with Photon or exploring decentralized avenues with Dexbot. So if we're going to wrap it all up, both Photon and Dexbot offer robust solutions for crypto traders. If you're seeking a customizable bot for centralized exchanges with a rewarding referral system, Photon might be the right choice. Conversely, if you're interested in decentralized trading with advanced protective features, Dexbot could be the ideal fit. Evaluate your trading preferences, the platforms you engage with, and the features most important to you to make an informed decision. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us, and I'll see you in the next crypto video.